Passive features, strengths, weaknesses. Passiv is a portfolio rebalancing tool designed specifically for buy-and-hold investors using brokerage accounts like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and Interactive Brokers. Its core feature is automated rebalancing, taking the emotional element out of maintaining your target asset allocation. You connect your brokerage account, input your desired allocation, say 60% stocks, 40% bonds, and Passiv calculates the trades needed to get you back on track, considering cash inflows and outflows. It also features tax loss harvesting suggestions, although execution isn't automated, requiring manual trade placement. Passiv primarily serves individual investors who are committed to a passive, long-term investing strategy, eliminating the need to manually track and rebalance their portfolios. It's most beneficial for those holding multiple ETFs or index funds across different asset classes, where manual rebalancing becomes tedious and error-prone. A key strength is its simplicity. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to understand your portfolio's deviations and execute the recommended trades. Commission-free trading at connected brokerages further enhances cost-effectiveness. Another strength is its ability to handle fractional shares, crucial for precise rebalancing, especially with smaller portfolios. Tax loss harvesting suggestions are a notable plus, potentially minimizing your tax liability. However, Passiv does have weaknesses. Its primary focus on rebalancing means it lacks robust portfolio analysis tools found in more comprehensive platforms. While it offers tax loss harvesting suggestions, the lack of automated execution is a significant drawback compared to competitors that handle this end-to-end. Also, Passiv only supports a limited number of brokerages. If your brokerage isn't supported, you're out of luck. The free version, while providing basic tracking, offers limited functionality compared to the Elite plan, which unlocks full rebalancing capabilities and tax loss harvesting. The Elite plan cost might be a barrier for some investors, especially those with smaller portfolios. In conclusion, Passiv is an excellent tool for passive investors seeking to automate portfolio rebalancing and simplify investment management. Its strengths lie in its simplicity, cost-effectiveness due to commission-free trading, and ability to handle fractional shares. However, its limitations in portfolio analysis, lack of automated tax loss harvesting execution, and limited brokerage support should be considered. If you value a streamlined, rebalancing-focused solution and your brokerage is supported, Passiv is a strong contender. But if you require more comprehensive portfolio analysis tools or demand fully automated tax loss harvesting, you may need to explore alternative options.